Hello everyone, my name is Kathy Boyle and I'm one of the nurses on our church's congregational health team. Pastor and the board are very concerned about making sure that your spiritual needs are met during this time of COVID, but they're also concerned about making sure that your physical needs are taken care of along with your safety in the midst of this crisis, and especially as we return to the church building as a church body. As you know, our church will be reopening its doors on June 7th with safety precautions in place based on CDC and state government guidelines. The guidelines that we plan to follow are the social distancing guideline for 6 feet apart. We will be rearranging some of the pews and seating to accommodate that. We are also going to recommend and maintain diligent hand hygiene with plenty of hand sanitizer available. We are also encouraging face masks for anyone who can tolerate wearing those. That really is one of the best ways that we can prevent the spread of COVID-19. And also the guideline that says if you're immune compromised, at risk, or ill, please do stay at home. One of the things that we've learned across the state and the nation is that this COVID-19 can be contained so long as we're diligent about following these guidelines, so we will stick to them as we reopen the church. Stats for our state, we are still at a 2% positive rate, which is very low compared to most of the states, especially those around us. We're doing very well. We've had 122 positive cases in Mon County with 5 deaths. We do not take that lightly. We want to make sure that we are proceeding safely and may need to change things up even as we go. What is our plan as we reopen? Well, the church has been completely disinfected with a plan to continue sanitizing and disinfecting as we go. Distance for seating. You will see that the seating arrangement inside the sanctuary is a little bit different. We will have folks there to help you determine where you should sit. We will even have some tables in the back for families so that they can stay together as a unit and feel a little more comfortable. We will have plenty of hand sanitizer available, disinfecting wipes and other things available for you. Congregational health team will be available both in the lobby and in the sanctuary to answer questions, make sure you can get to hand sanitizer, also help with handing out masks should someone get into the sanctuary and realize that they would prefer to wear one. We'll even be carrying a couple of thermometers in case folks decide that they would like to have their temperature taken. Please approach us and ask any questions. If you're uncomfortable, we can help to answer that both for the church or for our state or just for COVID in general. Bottom line, what we want is for folks to feel comfortable returning to the church and to feel that we are gathering safely. If you are at risk, ill, or simply uncomfortable being around groups of people at this point, don't feel bad about that. Stay home. We're encouraging folks to stay home if they're uncomfortable on any level. There will be children at the church. There will be folks of all ages. We will social distance, but we can't guarantee the exact number of feet that folks will choose to walk in. So do not feel guilty or feel bad if you don't feel like coming to church the first go round. Maybe for the first couple of weeks, some folks will want to stay home. We will continue our virtual service options throughout the next several weeks, maybe even months, until we all get back to our new normal. I would ask though if folks would reach out to some of those that are isolated at this point. We've got some people in the church that really cannot get out. Maybe send an email, something in the mail, or pick up the phone and call them. That is something that we can all do to touch base with our congregation. And I also wanted to offer this in case anyone has questions about COVID, has questions about our plan at the church, or just anything in general. Feel free to reach out to me. My cell number is 304-906-5630. That's 304-906-5630. We look forward to meeting you again, meeting in the same space with you again, getting to see our friends and family and fellow children of the King. We look forward to seeing you. God bless and stay healthy.